Bulk carrier plus 50 ships expansion 14. Today, many ship owners are not really watching how Cuba, indeed, it has no US visa availability, but do bulk carriers trade with US visa? Then we also have, this is 2,500 officers, 2,500 officers Venezuela. Then we have 14,000 in Panama. So already we're talking about 19,000 officers now. Some Spanish ship owners have this Madeira flag, we don't know why, but others are thinking flag out Panama, and those are the clients we want. Then some think about the English language, sí, others think Español. Why? ¿Por qué? Because if ships trade in the Atlantic, if you pay 25% more than you have with English, if you want to go without, then you have 100% of the pool, 19,000 officers. We can include the Spanish-speaking Peruvian, another 1,000, Ecuador, Colombia, Mexico, not so many, but we can also include Argentina, 600 or so, and keep adding officers with a Panama flag and very friendly situation today for some ship owners, because if ships trade bulk carriers in the Atlantic, why use Pacific Indian Ocean crew? It's no sense, and it's not ESG, corporate social responsibility, nor transparent. We just need the schools to follow and multiply times 10. But today we can do 50 bulk carriers, 25 with English, 25 without, just in case someone had to make a decision. Forget about it, let's cut the cake. Thank you, bye.